While most of the traders are busy guessing whether to buy or sell at this level, this indicator cuts through the noise, delivering precisely marked high quality demand and supply zone. And here is the kicker. It doesn't stop there. It assigns a power number revealing the exact strength of each zone. I will reveal this powerful tool, show you exactly how to use it, and then combine it with some price action to design strategies you can backtest yourself. And yes, as always, we'll wrap up with some no nonsense myth bust to keep the things real. I'm Apoorv, I'm a full-time swing trader in Indian stock markets, and in this session I'll be using charts which are over 3 months old, which are in line with the rules. Let's dive in. Okay guys, let's start by typing tradingview.com and just click on it. This screen will pop up. Click on the products, super charts. Your super charts will be right in front of you. Let's click on indicators, and right here you have to write support and resistance power channel by chart prime. The moment you click it, there is your indicator right in front of you. The benefit that I saw in this particular indicator was you don't have to make all those supply and demands. It's hassle free. For example, we used to make supply demand zones in this manner. You guys can see multiple supply zones, multiple demand zones. Some are broken, some are not. And the worst part is they are static. So we cannot just go along the price and can change them. Now right here, if you see, this is not static. Let me just move on the price action and you guys can see the more I'm moving with price action, demand zone, my supply zone, both are changing. And not only that, their buy power, sell power that's written, that is also changing, and that's quite intriguing. There is a cross symbol here and a diamond symbol here. Along with, you guys can see a buy power that is written 63 here, a sell power at the supply zone that is written 87. Again, the cross is there, the diamond is there. And you guys can see that there is a middle line that's been created exactly at the midline from the top and the bottom. Green cross means the demand is activated. The diamond symbol right here is telling you the confirmation for the demand. That means it could have been the scenario that after just this candle, the stock again starts moving to the downside. It will create a cross at that area. It will keep on making the cross until the stocks and starts reversing with some power. Cross symbol was activated here. That is telling supply. Now, if the stock moves again even higher, then it will again make a cross, again higher cross, again higher cross, until it's actually giving a solid red candle and creating some engulfing right there. Then it will create a diamond symbol as well. So basically, in short, if you see, the cross is telling you it could be a supply, it could be a demand activated. And then the diamond symbol is telling you that that activation is getting some confirmation. This buying power, which is reflecting 64, and the selling power that is reflecting 86, it is implying what is the institutional buying strength at these important supply and demand zones of the settings. When you double click on the indicator, you guys can see input style visibility. In terms of inputs, if you click on this length, that length is giving you the overall length of the indicator that is contributing to the number of candles it is taking. So if it is written 150, that means from the current candle, this is 22 March 2023 that I'm putting right here, till the previous 150 candles trading days, right? So what I figured out was originally, if you see, people use 100, 150, that's good. But if you are really into like a swing trading basis, because it's like a intraday kind of thing, if you are doing 100, 50, 100, 150, all these are for intraday basis. Go for 250. If you are going for a swing trading basis type of thing. Why I'm saying 250? What's the logic? Let's see how many of you guys can think about why 250. And if you just make it 250, you guys can see the sell power is amazing, the buying power is amazing, and the range that we are getting is now even bigger, even better, right? Now, the answer, you guys can comment that below in the comment section. Pause this video, but I will answer you in this video only. You guys will see that we have around 240 to 250 trading days every single year. So that's like complete 1 year of candlestick that you are watching with this indicator alongside. I will give you the trick here, okay? Because as I told you, there would be strategies, there will be tricks that I will be showing you from my side. So this was completely a different thing that I researched on my own. Now, let me put it this way, that whenever you see that the stock has shown a rally, right, there will be a rally in the market, and then you guys can see there is a high created by the market and a low created by the market. So why do we care about 100, 150, 250, the random days? We don't care about that. We care about the top of the market, the low of the market, and the whole consolidation phase, and where the market is trading right now. So let's see that from this particular top, that's like 8 September 2022 till date. Till date, if I am keeping, this is like 195 days in total and 134 bars, right? So if I just take a random 150, because the nearest to 134 is 150, so you round off. Now 150 should be my value in that case, so I'm putting 150. So see, you have to change it according to your stock or instrument, whatever you are trading. Okay, if you're trading at a smaller time frame, 100 would do definitely much better. If you are trading on a daily, weekly, monthly time frames, then you have to check what exactly is your number of candles from the previous high to the previous low, and the consolidation should be there. So we need a rally, we need a consolidation, and the high, the low of the markets. Okay, you need to count the number of days, trading days most importantly, because number of days here are 195, but trading days are the number of bars, that is 134 here. So I'm putting the nearest value, that is 150. 150 will do good for me. So the buying power is suggesting 55 right now. Now this is also a kind of a research that I'm doing, back testing, that if something is above 50 on this scale, it might or might not work. But if something is above 60, so that is giving you definitely a higher chance respect to the 50 or 55, right? Now right here the sell power is 95. So in terms of selling, you guys cannot directly sell in terms of stock market. So definitely this is completely for intraday traders out there, that if you use the smaller time frame, go for a 70. That if something is 70, then that is like a good for you. Anything below 70 for a sell power, that might just give you a fake breakout. Guys, now we are into the strategy making part. First I will show you a very simple strategy, then I will show you a bit advanced strategy. With advanced strategy means with more confirmations, more things to watch, more observations, right? Now let's get right into it. So a very simple strategy would be that the supply and demands are being created, and the minimum numbers that you need at a supply area or a sell power of above 70. The next thing is above 60 is what you need in terms of buy power, right? So those are the two things that you need to observe, how the markets are following them. Then the third thing is that let the cross be made, let the diamond be made, means the demand is hit. Finally, you can say demand is activated. Diamond symbol is being hit. You guys can say that finally the demand is being confirmed here. And now I'm gonna enter at this particular candle. Okay. So a very simple and straightforward strategy. I'm going to keep this below the demand, and I'm going to go for at least 1:2 risk reward ratio, like that. Okay. So right here, you guys can see it definitely went till the top. It took a bit of time, but trading is all about patience. Always remember that. Simple strategy. So it will have more failure rate. Now, whenever you guys are into a lesser win rate strategy, that means you need to take more of those strategy, first of all, and secondly, you need to go with a higher risk reward ratio. So now I'm going to give you a solid one. First of all, you need to see that if your sell power is above 70, correct. Buy power should be above 60 right here. Good. Then you need to have a cross here, and you need to have a diamond here. Okay, that's like the initiation of the strategy. But now we put more things into the picture, the midline, because that's also there. We should use it, right, for the information purposes. So the middle line right here is showing you a very beautiful rejections. Okay, how often the middle line is being followed? Let's see. So right here, you guys can see if we extend it, middle line is being followed. Then it is taking support here, again a support wick. Then got rejected here, and then it is following it again. After the breakout, it's following it, right? Comes back down, comes back up, following here. So at minimum, at least 2 to 3 times, middle line should be following the overall rejection. You guys can see it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's even better. Middle line is following the rejections. How many times? 7 times. Everything is perfect right here. Now you need to throw a counter trend line. Now if you see, that's the top of the market right here, right? I'm just going to mark it in this manner. That's the top of the market. What's the bottom of the market? In this zone, this one. Now let's refresh the whole thing. The stock gives a rally. It consolidates in this manner, creates a high, creates a low. At the high, from the high, you start picking the number of days from this point till the current market price, and you saw it's 130 2. You double click on it, you go to the nearest one length, you do not write 132, don't be very exact, make it 150. Okay, now see how many time it is getting rejected or giving actual respect to the midline. So 7 times, which is more than 2 to 3 times that we want at minimum. See the sell power above 70, see the buy power above 60, everything is good. Demand taken, perfectly taken, cross has been made, and a demand symbol has been made. Now the final thing is the top that you picked, from there you need to throw a counter trend line in this manner. Okay, it's a bit advanced, it's a bit more stretched here at this point that you guys can see. So I'm making it with pink line, right? A demand is being created in this manner, right? So it is respecting the demand, it will respect the supply, and it is exactly at that area where you need to take the trade. Now I enter at this point, keeping a very minimal stop loss of 7%, and let's plan a trade for 1:2 risk reward ratio up till the supply, the bottom of the supply, not the top. Why? Because the bottom of the supply itself is going to give me a lot more hindrance because it's already 85. So you guys can see there was a bit drama here. I definitely agree, but the stock did went till the top. Now this is just one result. I've backtested it over 100 trades. It's been working in that manner. Definitely don't take my word for that. Do not take my word for that, because whenever I tell you guys to backtest, it's your work, it's your homework to backtest all these things. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more such videos. If you want me to work over time and make such videos for you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe the channel if you are new on this channel, and like this video when you're leaving. My Telegram right there, it's pinned in the comment section. Join it right now. Be the part of a better game. I'm a price action trader, but in my free time I'm also researching with my team on many indicators, on many more strategies, many more instruments that I do not share publicly. I might do that in the future, okay, more often, just like right now I'm doing. If you guys show proper love, proper support to this video, if we hit 100 likes in this video, I will definitely be making more such videos, more content for you guys. So let's get this video to 100 likes.